Major General Mohammad Ghadi, Inspector Royal Moroccan Air Force, during his first ever visit to Pakistan, called on Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, at Air Headquarters, Islamabad. The meeting covered a wide array of matters related to military cooperation, joint training, and collaboration in the industrial domain. On his arrival, a smartly turned out contingent of Pakistan Air Force presented Guard of Honor to Major General Mohammad Ghadi. During the meeting, Chief of the Air Staff conveyed his warm wishes to Inspector Royal Moroccan Air Force on his maiden visit to Pakistan. The Air Chief highlighted that both brotherly countries enjoy long-standing historical ties and reiterated his resolve to strengthening military partnership through full collaboration in joint training initiatives in the entire spectrum of air power application, which will include basic and tactical level training for Moroccan Air Force personnel. Both the dignitaries expressed a deep desire to consolidate the existing ties, focusing on collaborative training programs, joint military exercises, and industrial cooperation. Major General Mohammad Ghadi lauded the technological advancement of Pakistan Air Force and expressed the desire of Moroccan Air Force to learn from aerospace industrial strides of Pakistan Air Force in order to enhance its operational capabilities. He conveyed his admiration for the state-of-the-art technological ecosystem witnessed during his visit to National Aerospace Science and Technology Park and shared his deep interest in exploring avenues of collaboration in the industrial domain. The dignitary also visited various installations and technological infrastructure established at Air Headquarters, Islamabad, including National ISR and Integrated Air Operations Center and PF Cyber Command. The meeting between Inspector Royal Moroccan Air Force and Chief of the Air Staff Pakistan Air Force signifies a resolute commitment to reinforce military partnership, fostering collaboration and promoting robust relations between the two countries.